An elf hat you can complete once you learn single crochet and double crochet. Teach you how to crochet it in 7 minutes. 8-ply acrylic yarn. First, crochet the pointed tip. Start with a magic ring. Hold the yarn between your pinky and ring finger. Wrap it over your index finger. Make a loop around your middle finger. Hold the crossover point. Insert the hook into the loop. Pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through this loop. The starting stitch is complete. This also counts as one chain. Remove the loop from your finger. Then, work single crochet into the loop. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. 1 single crochet complete. Beginners, place a stitch marker in the first stitch. This is the first stitch. The stitch looks like the English letter V. Round 1 requires 6 single crochet. Complete the rest yourself. Demonstration not repeated. After 6 stitches, also place a stitch marker in the last stitch. Next, tighten the loop. Pull the short tail. Pull until there's no hole in the center. After each round, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Insert hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through. Pull through the loop on the right. The slip stitch does not count as a stitch and should be tightened tightly. This part is the pointed tip. All rounds are worked with 6 single crochet. A quick demonstration of round 2. At the start of each round, make 1 chain. Does not count as a stitch. Work single crochet into the first stitch. Beginners, place markers in the first and last stitches of each round. This round has a total of 6 single crochet. After 6 stitches, flip it over. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Now 2 rounds are complete. Then repeat this pattern until round 18. Every round is 6 single crochet. Start each round with 1 chain. Join with a slip stitch at the end. Complete the remaining 16 rounds yourself. After finishing round 18, let's learn how to count rounds. This is the starting loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 V like this represents 1 round. Next, start crocheting the main body of the hat. From here on, it's all double crochet. For double crochet rounds, start with 3 chains which do not count as a stitch. Work double crochet into the first stitch. Yarn over the hook and hold. Insert hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Pull up to the height of the 2 chains. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. 1 double crochet complete. Work double crochet increase into the second stitch. This means work 2 double crochet into the same stitch. 1. Work another one into the same stitch. Double crochet increase complete. The pattern for this round is 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase. Quick demonstration of the second set. Work double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Work double crochet increase into the 4th stitch. Complete the remaining set yourself. After finishing, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Starting from this round, let's learn how to read the chart. Each round starts with 3 chains which do not count as stitches. The beginning of this round is in DC, double crochet. Work double crochet into the first stitch. Next is DC Inc, double crochet increase. Work double crochet increase into the second stitch. Next is DC, work double crochet into the 3rd stitch. These 4 stitches form 1 set, indicated by the parentheses. The number after the asterisk indicates the number of pattern repeats. There are 3 sets in total. Quick demonstration of the second set. First, work 1 DC, double crochet. Next stitch, DC Inc, double crochet increase. Next stitch, DC, double crochet. Now 2 sets are complete. Complete the remaining set yourself. After each round, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. The slip stitch does not count as a stitch and should be tightened tightly. Next, work rounds 21 to 23 according to the chart. Round 21. Increase every other stitch. Pattern: 1 DC, then DC ink. 6 sets total. Round 22. Increase every 2 stitches but with staggered increases. Pattern: double crochet increase, double crochet. 6 sets total. Round 23. Increase every 3 stitches. Pattern: 3 double crochet increase. 6 sets total. Please work up to round 23 first. Next, work round 24. Increase every 4 stitches, also with staggered increases. Start with 3 chains. Begin with 2 DC double crochet. Work double crochet increase into the 3rd stitch. Work double crochet into the next 2 stitches. These 6 stitches form 1 set. Quick demonstration of the 2nd set. First, work 2 double crochet. 1 double crochet increase. Then work 2 more double crochet. Now 2 sets are complete. Looking at it connected, this V is the increase. Count backwards. 4 double crochet, then increase. The remaining 2 double crochet of the first set are at the end. Complete the remaining part according to the chart. After increasing up to round 36, it should look like this. Head circumference is approximately 55 centimeters. Starting from round 32, it's recommended to try it on while crocheting. After increasing to the desired number of rounds, work 2 rounds without increases or decreases for the brim. To finish, make 1 chain. Then fasten off. Pull tight. Use a yarn needle to weave in the ends. Insert the needle into any stitch. Mainly to secure the yarn tail. Cut off the excess yarn. There is a visible slip stitch seam here. Consider this the back, then fold up the brim. Looking forward to seeing your finished projects.